In this demonstration, we will take a look at iSCSI storage. iSCSI is a protocol that supports remote access to storage devices over a network. iSCSI storage has 4 components. First, the storage, which uses virtual hard disks, which are non-physical disks that look and act like a physical disk. The target server accesses this virtual storage and presents or advertises the storage to the network. iSCSI uses a standard Ethernet network and the TCP/IP transport protocol. Servers that want access to the remote storage are called initiators. Try to keep this diagram in mind as we look at how this is implemented. Let's begin in Server Manager on our target server and the Add Roles and Features wizard. The iSCSI target server role that you need to install is under File and Storage Services. This role usually does not require any additional features, and if you prefer, you can use Windows PowerShell. The command is install-Windows feature /fs-iSCSI target-server. Once the role is installed, you can use the File and Storage Services node to access the iSCSI information. And the first time you come in here, you will be prompted to create an iSCSI virtual disk and to start the iSCSI Virtual Disk Wizard. In the Virtual Disk Wizard, you can create a new VHD from a volume, or you can browse to an existing VHD. I'll keep it simple and choose the E drive. Your virtual disk will need a name, and it will also need a size, and it does show you the free space that's available. Once the VHD is in place, you need to designate which servers can access the storage. And we're going to allow access from LAN SVR2. There are several ways to uniquely identify this initiator. You can use iSCSI qualified name, DNS name, MAC address, or perhaps the simplest way is just to provide the IP address of the server. Make sure that your initiator was correctly added, and then add any additional initiators that you need. On the next page of the wizard, there are some choices for CHAP. This is discussed in your course. There's security choices. And then after confirming your choices, it'll take just a couple of minutes to configure the storage, and that finishes configuring the target server. So let's switch over to the initiator. So here we are on the initiator, LAN SVR2, and we've located the iSCSI Initiator app. This is a free download if it's not on the machine. And the app will prompt you if the iSCSI service is not running. Click yes to start the service and have it start automatically each time the computer restarts. Then in the iSCSI Initiator pane, it's easy to connect to the target. Just type in the IP address or the DNS name and click Quick Connect. And it will make the connection, get you logged in, and get everything set up. Very simple. On the Volumes and Devices tab, if you click Auto Configure, it will set up your volumes, your mount point for each device that's out there. That's a very nice feature. To access the new storage, we will go to Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions settings. And in the Disk Management console, we can see the new disk that was created for us. All we need to do is bring the disk online, format it, and begin using it. So in summary, we created a VHD, configured the target server, configured the initiator, and then accessed the storage. And your course does have a lab on this, so please be sure to give it a try.